Alright, let me show you a video here of the problem that I experienced with Cricut and how I figured it out, or what I figured out here. So if you want to, what I want to do is make a whole screen of, or a whole sheet of stickers of the same saying, happy birthday, your last name, whatever. And I want them all equally spaced, and I was running into a problem of making these stickers, and then when I went to go make it, and I looked on the sheet that it was about to print, they were all next to each other and all messed up, and they weren't in the position that I saved them in, spaced apart. And I couldn't figure out why. Maybe a lot of you know why, and you already figured all this out. But if you haven't, stay tuned here, and I'll show you what I got. So let me just do a pick a word out. Just do happy. There's the font. Move it into my position. Hang on a minute. I'll just move it up here. We'll place it over here. And right now, if you look, I hope I can do this. This is not going to be easy for me. I hate making videos. Let me adjust my camera up here. Go to my position there. And you see how the X and the Y. So right now it's 1.06 over from the edge, and I'm just going to backspace a couple of those. 1.0, and I click right down in this area here. I don't go onto the board, just stay right here and click. And then it's 1 inch now from the edge of the board. You see that over there? It's right on the 1 inch line. Okay, and then we're going to do another, and then right now it's the Y is from the top to bottom, from the top edge. So where do we want it? I don't know. We can do maybe a 1/2 inch. So just click there. I can backspace 3 and then go 0.5. That'll give us, now watch what happens. I'm going to click in that space here in a second, and I'll show you what happens to the font. So here I go. I'm going to click, and then it moved it right up into that 1/2 inch position from the top. And then what I want to do is just click in that area. Probably don't even have to now that it's all. Right click. I want to copy that. Click on my screen here. Right click. Paste. There's another one. That's right. I don't know why this doesn't. Drag it into a position wherever you want. You put it anywhere you want. Okay. I'll expand out a little bit, and then I go over to my position of where it's at right now. It's 1 1/4 inches over from the left side. We want it, what did we say, 1 inch? So we're just going to backspace 1.0, and then click in this spot here, and that positions it exactly 1 inch from the edge. So they're equal now. 1, 1. Once you get all that done, and let's say our spacing from top to bottom on the top one, I'm going to click on the top one while I'm here. Okay, I just clicked on the top one, so it was a 1/2 inch from the top. I'm going to click on the bottom one, the one just below it, and that is 2.375 from the top. So let's say we want to be, I don't know, 2 inches from the top. Backspace, click up into this spot here. I'm going to click in. Let's see what happens as I click on it though. So here I'm going to click, and it moved it 2 inches from the top. Okay, and then you'll have that distance. It looks like each box here is a 1/4 inch, so that's a 1/2 inch from each sticker. All right, so we do a whole page of those. All right, and after I had them all lined up in the page, I would just go to make it, and when I looked on it, well, I'll show you what's, well, it probably won't going to happen, but let's try it. I click on make it, and I don't know if you can see that, but look at where they're positioned. It's not where I wanted it. It's not where I saved them at all. So go back to cancel on the bottom here, cancel this one. All right, now we're back to this page here. So what I want to do now is I want to blue out all of this. I don't know what you call that. So left click, drag it all. It's all blued now. And then you want to go on the bottom. There's a little thing that says weld. So let's try that. Weld it. It's welded. Okay, now let's click make it. Click make it. Now look where they're at. They're exactly where I wanted them, equally spaced. I don't know why that is, but maybe you knew that, maybe you didn't. It was driving me crazy last night. I'm brand new to the Cricut maker machine here, so hopefully that helps you. And like I said, I want to just make a bunch of stickers, a sheet of stickers where I can cut them all out and then do my thing. So hopefully that helps, and leave your comments below if you have any questions. Thank you.